In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Duolingo profile picture. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to tap, and how to fine-tune your look so your profile reflects you. First, open Duolingo on your phone or in a browser and sign into your account. You'll notice that Duolingo has been transitioning away from real profile photos and toward customizable avatars. That means the way you change your picture now is by editing your avatar. If you previously used a real photo, don't worry. Your avatar becomes the new, consistent identity across the app. From the main screen, head to your profile. On mobile, look to the bottom of the screen and tap the avatar icon in the navigation bar. This takes you to your profile area where you can see your current avatar and basic account details. The profile is the starting point for all appearance changes. Next, look to the top right of your profile screen for the settings gear icon. Tap that to open your settings. This is where Duolingo keeps account controls, privacy options, and the customization tools we need. Inside settings, choose Change Avatar. This opens the editor where you can personalize your look. Take a moment to explore the options. Start with skin tone to set the base, then adjust the body to a shape that feels right for you. Move on to eye color and try a few expressions to match your vibe. Friendly, confident, curious, or whatever mood you want to project. You'll likely see additional appearance choices as well, so play around until everything looks consistent. A helpful approach is to begin with the features that define you most, then fine-tune small details to pull it all together. As you customize, pause occasionally to preview how elements work together. Simple, high-contrast choices tend to read clearly on small screens, which helps your avatar stand out in leaderboards and friend lists. When you're happy with the result, finalize it by tapping Done or Save. Give the app a moment to update. Your new avatar should now appear on your profile and anywhere your account shows up in Duolingo. A few quick tips before we wrap up. Because Duolingo is shifting from photos to avatars, the option to upload a real image may not be available on your account. If you don't see Change Avatar right away, make sure your app is up to date and try again. And if you use Duolingo on multiple devices, a quick refresh ensures your new look syncs everywhere. That's it. Your Duolingo profile picture is updated through your avatar. Happy learning and enjoy your new look.